All right, where are we going? You made it inside. Look around. Hey, all right.
You went out here buying hot chocolate for everyone.
All right.
Hey, he's going to be getting some hot chocolate from the old trading post. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, hi, I'm Benny Boyle. Thanks for celebrating with us.
No.
You know, whether you have fur, fangs, horns, or tentacles, the holidays are a great time to spend with the ones you love. Oh, and speaking of the ones we love, does anyone know who our holiday show host is? He is around. He's got one eye. He's green. Does anyone know who I'm talking about? That's right. It's Mike Wazowski. Do we have any Wazowski fans out here? Make some noise. All right, that completes our mic check. What kind of gigawatts in the old laugh can? We're off to a great start. Yeah, Kimmel dance. He's dressed like a marshmallow. Chocolate. Oh, he's like a bobbleheaded marshmallow. That's fun. All right, let's hear it for the bobbleheaded marshmallow. That was unique. I love that. So listen, when a monster comes out on stage and says, "Happy Holidays," the proper response is to wave your arms in the air and scream like this. Wah! So let's all try that together. Happy Holidays! Great job. Now everyone say, right, start the show.
Let's start the show.
Never mind.
See that?
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your holiday cheer. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, when it comes to lists, you may find yourself on the naughty one. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the Laugh Law Holiday Show! And now, let's hear some holiday cheers for your ho, ho, host, me, Mike Wazowski! Happy Holidays! Very good! I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the Laugh Floor. Now, this is your first time in the monster world. There are a few things you should know.
Okay.
Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that made 1,000 elves cry. Hey, what's worse than a stocking full of coal? A stocking full of Roz!
Uh-oh.
She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you'd better fill the can this time, or else.
What?
The naughty list.
Phew! Are you ready for our first act? Here they are, Sam and Ella! Holidays!
Wonderful, everyone. This is my brother Sam, and my name is Ella. Together we're Sam and Ella. My brother here is an expert in holiday traditions of the
Human world.
I beg your pardon.
I'm really good at human holiday traditions. You should quiz me.
All right, I will. I'm going to ask one of these humans where they're from, and then you tell us all about their hometown holiday tradition. But could be anyone.
Except for that guy. He made his girlfriend wear the same color.
Peachy.
Peachy. That's nice.
All right, humans, raise your hands high in the air if you know where you live. All right, we have a human over on this side. A hand went up right away. Apparently, one of the few humans who actually knows where they live. All
Oh,
right, right over here. Hello there.
Parents.
Hi, what's your name?
Arnold.
Hello, Arnold. Where are you from?
New Jersey.
oh yes, New Jersey. The residents of New Jersey celebrate the season by putting a tooth under their pillow until Santa exchanges it with a moldy fruitcake, which they then hang from their iconic North Pole. Next, who's next? Who is next?
Wait a minute, not so fast.
That kid was on the naughty list. We don't need. Okay.
You know exactly what you were doing.
I think we need to talk to the two humans that got into a fight with their barber.
Got into a fight.
I think they lost.
Hello there. Or did they?
Oh, nice.
Hello there. What are your names? Reslin? All right. And you? You, sir. Tyler. Reslin and Tyler, where are you from?
She said
Michigan. Konnichiwa. Yes. Michigan. The children of Michigan dress as a giant rabbit and hide stockings filled with coal underneath their iconic North Pole.
All right.
No. When's the last time you were in Michigan, Reslin?
last week.
Oh yeah, it's all changed since then. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, they have a brand new holiday scarol. I'm gonna make sure these two know it. Neil, give me a bouncy F flat. There's a place I've never been in. Fa la 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 la. It's called Michigan. Ask Tyler and Reslin. Fa la 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 la. They like to be in the very cold. Fa la 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 la. As they dance around the iconic North Pole. Fa la
Ho, 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 ho! 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as jolly as the man who says ho ho! Santa wasn't available. She's my buddy. She's your buddy. She's Betty Boyle!
Happy holidays! Oh, everyone's in a great mood, including that guy. And get someone to get that cat. Hello there, everyone. I'm still Betty Boyle, and guess what? I have a secret. I am telepathic. That's right. Now, and I don't need devices such as the cell phone. That's right. I can use my telepathic powers to communicate. Now, in this box is the ultimate holiday gift for someone in this audience. I'm detecting their presence somewhere on this side of the room, wearing a white pink shirt and a very skinny seatbelt. My powers are amazing! Hello there! What is your name? Mina. Correct. Just as I predicted, Mina. Now, Mina, I bet there's something you'd really like to get for the holidays this year, isn't there?
Yes, of course.
Of course there is. Mina, if that item was in this box, would you be surprised?
Yes.
So would I. We're gonna make it happen, Mina. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to picture that gift in your mind. Okay, and we're going to. Are you falling asleep or are you concentrating? Okay, you're gonna beam that image to the minds in the rest of the audience, Mina. So, all right, so yeah, focus and concentrate on that gift. Now, put your hands up on your head. We're gonna create a telepathic connection between you and I and the audience. Put your hands up on your head.
No, baby.
There you go. Now make antlers. Yeah, like a reindeer. There you go. Oh, getting a little help from the reindeer handler. Now, Mina, make the sound of a magical holiday reindeer. It sounded a lot like a cell phone. That was weird. Oh, that's a very amused reindeer. I tell you what, Mina, let's just do this the old-fashioned way, all right? Just tell everyone out loud, what is your ultimate holiday gift?
Pair of shoes.
taking suggestions from her attorney. A pocketbook. Oh, that's not what I predicted, Mina. I predicted you'd said fruitcake in a can. Oh, wait a minute. Smells like cash. Hey, Mina, maybe there's some money in here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Everyone, Mina's ultimate. That was not cash or a pocketbook. But this is. I knew it the whole time, Mina. I'm made out of magic. Oh, gosh, where'd you go at?
Oops, my finger slipped.
Oh, well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Naughty or nice? Remember, I'm checking. Always checking.
I'm checking, always checking. I'm Roz. Look at my ugly friend.
You just made the naughty list.
So, ladies and gentlemen, performing holiday jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski.
Happy holidays! Oh, yeah, look at all the humans here. Raise your hand if you're here. Some of you aren't all here. I wanted to talk about the holidays. Santa Claus sounds pretty cool. He knows when you're sleeping. He gives toys to all the good little boys and girls. He's watching you when you're awake, watching, always watching. Uh-oh, I think Roz is Santa.
Ho, ho, ho.
I've been really good this year, Roz. I promise. Who else has been good this year? Wave your hand up in the air. I want to talk to you. I want to meet some friendly human kid. Let's see. There's a human kid there in the red. I'm going to talk to them. Hi, I'm Marty. What's your name?
Dakota.
Hello, Dakota. Dakota, have you been good this year?
I think so.
Have you been this good? Or have you been this good?
What did it mean?
Awesome! I bet you're on the nice list. Dakota, what are you hoping to get as a gift this year?
I guess some monks.
Hey, Roz, Dakota wants some books. I think I put in a good word for you. What I want is a comedy partner. And I think you would be a great comedy partner, so help me with some jokes. I have one from Matthew from Bay Area. Why is Peter Pan always flying?
Why?
Because he can never land. And I got a joke, and it's, wait a second, and it's from Dakota from Pennsylvania. Are you from Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Do you want to tell your joke that you texted it in?
Can you tell it?
I would like to do it. Why did Dasher and Dancer bring Santa coffee?
Why? Why?
Because they're his Starbucks. You're awesome, Dakota. I hope you get everything you want. Help me with a knock-knock joke. Knock-knock.
Who's there? Who's there?
Orange.
Orange too.
Aren't you glad we didn't forget about that guy?
Hey, let's give the old guy a big hand. What a treat. Oh, and look at that. That in the little frog?
Well, I guess it's a holiday bonus for the one responsible.
Oh, yeah? So what am I getting?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.
Well, that's our show. And happy holidays!
Right here.
All right, time to jingle all the way out.
All right, time to go.
There is nothing more to see. Trust me.
Keep going.
Remember to file your paperwork. You're going on the naughty list.
Crowds. What do you think, Lise? Was it funny?
That was hilarious. That was.
All right.
Especially that non-app joke. And the Starbucks one. That's funny. I loved it.
All right, more from Magic Kingdom coming up.